Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Today's lesson is how to get paid to chat to people. So if you're a chatty person like me, stay tuned. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button and share this video if you love it. Without further ado, Live World is the first website I wanted to show you. You can get paid to be a live chat person who texts people in the real world. So companies want to get their marketing skills better and communication skills better. So you're conversing with the company and you're helping them with communication. So it's one-on-one and it's like software developers. The next one I want to show you is Arise. Now, Arise is in England. Look, British Telecom and Empower. So if you want to be a live text chat for these two big companies in England, you just ask for the information. You can set your own hours and just do it when the kids are in bed or whatever. There's also an American one, and it's been around for 25 years, so you can't go wrong with this one because it's a bona fide company. Needle. If you've got a favourite brand and you're an expert on that brand, you can become an advocate for that brand and chat and get paid for it. The difference between this one and the other one is you get paid per chat and you represent that brand. I'm watching my notes here. If you wanted to set yourself up as a live chat person, you go over to Fibre. If you haven't heard of it, it's about Fibre with 2 R's, and it's called that because you can get anything for $5. There is a 5 squid, I think it's called in England, but so there's an English one and an American one. So if you want to provide live chat support, you can put yourself on here, copy, have a read of a couple of others, find out what they're writing and then put your spin on it. And then I think what you have to do when you're getting started to actually get some stars is get people to buy something for a $5. Then you start getting your stars and Bob's your uncle and Sally's your auntie. So, but this obviously is a normal job. Get paid for your time. If you don't want to get paid for your time and you want money while you sleep, residual or passive income, if you're not sure what passive income is, it's British Telecom or your gas or electricity bill. You pay them every month, so they're getting passive income because they're not really doing a lot, they're just providing you a service, aren't they? So my number one residual income, get the 7-day trial below, and I will see you on the next video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, share because I need 1,000 subscribers in the next I think there's 2 weeks left of this challenge. So come on guys, share, subscribe, hit the notifications. See you next time. Bye guys.